Here's the Viper basic alarm installed on a 2005 Chevy Colorado. Here's the remote. Lock and unlock, flashing lights, honking horn, siren. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. This is the 3100V. Comes with a blue LED light flashing right by the window. I'm going to reach in and unlock it. And the last thing we're going to show you is this vehicle is a manual door locks, manual windows. We put in the door actuator, so now it'll lock it and unlock the door locks using the alarm system. Same thing on the passenger side. Lock, unlock. Manual door locks converted to power door locks using the Viper alarm system. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. This one's all set and ready to go. 2005 Chevy Colorado. Viper basic alarm 3100V. See you guys on the next one.